Hi, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today our first lecture about chemistry. So actually, what is chemistry? This is the first question about the subject. So to understand the basic things in the chemistry, we should focus on the chemistry fundamentals. The fundamentals of chemistry are atomic structure. This is our main subject that we should learn and should focus on that subject, on that topic. In atomic structure, we just focus on 8 things, that is subatomic particles, atomic number, mass number, and isotopes, electronic configuration, the most important one, quantum numbers, atomic orbitals, uh, not that much difficult, but is I think is the most important interesting one, and the periodic trends. So we should cover this one by one in the next lectures. Second fundamental is the chemical bonding. If we know the chemical bonding, then we are grip on chemistry a little bit. In chemical bonding, we should focus in ionic bonding, covalent bonding, polar versus non-polar bonds, intermolecular forces, hydrogen bond, Lewis structure, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, and molecular polarity. So the third fundamental is the periodic table. We should focus on the periodic table. So the history of periodic table, that why and who started the element arrangements. Mainly we should focus on the periods, groups, families, atomic numbers, atomic mass, chemical properties, periodic law, classification of elements, and blocks. Next fundamental is about the stoichiometry, the most important and interesting one in my point of view. Uh, the basis of the competitive examination, this chapter I think so most important one. So we will cover this chapter in detail. The most important one is the mole concept, chemical equations, molar ratios, Lamiectin reactant, theoretical yield, percentage yield, stoichiometric calculations, and reaction stoichiometry. Next one is the thermodynamics. We should cover the laws of thermodynamics, just like the first law, second law, third law, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, what is Gibbs energy, free energy, heat transfer, work, thermal equilibrium, etc. And this chapter is also a competitive one for the examinations, so we will cover in the next lecture as well. Next one is kinetics. In kinetics, we just studied the rate of reactions, the laws, reaction mechanism, catalysis, activation energy, reaction order, rate determining steps, collision theory, etc. The next one is equilibrium. In equilibrium, we will cover the subtopic dynamic equilibrium, equilibrium constant, Le Chatelier principle, equilibrium positions, homogeneous versus heterogeneous equilibria, effect of temperature on equilibrium, effect for gases on equilibrium, ionization constant for acid and bases. So this is all about the fundamental of chemistry. So we will cover these chapters in the video lectures. So stay with us for upcoming videos. And most important, please, if you like the video, please share, like, and if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. And if you watch in TikTok, please follow my link. Thank you.